Today we made a Murray Cod on the barbecue. It looks delicious. Absolutely delicioso. I love it. So good. It smells nice too. Hello everyone. Buongiorno a tutti. Look what a beautiful fish. My cousin caught this. And now it's the time to cook, to prepare for cooking. It's a Murray Cod. And now we're gonna get them ready to cook. So first thing I'm gonna do is just to put a couple of cuts across. So we're using the bacon paper. So first thing we do, a bit of salt in everywhere. What I'll do now, on each cut I will put some lemongrass, just push them in like that. Now I will put a couple of slices of garlic on each cut. A bit of pepper at the top. In Sicily, Sicilian, they call it Salmoriglio, which mixture of lemon, vinegar, oil, oregano, garlic, and salt, and bit of pepper too. It's really good stuff. It's very traditional one, been used for years. So what I'll do now, just to brush a bit of this out the top, so it will go into the cuts and everything. And of course we'll put a little bit inside into the fish. There we will repeat on this side because we haven't done this side yet. All this bunch of lemongrass here, I will put them inside the fish. Long way like that. That's it. Now it's ready to wrap. So what we do, hold up like that. Put another one on top. We roll them up. Okay, we get to the top, to the barbecue top, so we'll put them on. Look at that, it just fits nicely. At the moment it's full of the flame, so we're going to put a bit sort of up medium flame. We don't want it to cook too quick because it's a big fish. And we cook with the lid on because we want to keep the heat inside, otherwise it will take too long. It's big fish, it probably take nearly an hour. The fish has been on half an hour, been cooking. Now I'm going to turn it over. Because it's getting too hot. We want to go a bit 200 degrees. Because before was the lid was full close and it got really up to 250. It's too much, so that's why I put a bit of gap here. So I'll keep about 200. So the fish has been cooked an hour, half an hour each side. Yeah, exactly an hour. So now we got to try a bit, to check that it's cooked. That's be hot. I think it's cooked. This is my cousin, he's going to try a bit of fish.
Beautiful!
Looks beautiful.